Getting ahead with ordinal numbers. Everyday English in action. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating world of ordinal numbers. We'll discover how they play a crucial part in our everyday lives, making them an important part of learning English. Ordinal numbers are numbers that denote the position or order of things or people. In English, they are words like first, second, third, and so on. They are different from cardinal numbers, which tell us about quantity, like 1, 2, 3. One of the most common uses of ordinal numbers in daily life is in dates. When talking about dates, we use ordinal numbers. For example, we say July 13th, where 13th is the ordinal number indicating the day of the month. Ordinal numbers often pop up in discussions about daily routines. For example, you might say, first, I wake up, then I brush my teeth. Third, I have breakfast. Here, first, second, and third are all ordinal numbers, and they help structure our actions in a sequence. Whether you're watching a sports game, running a race, or in a competition, ordinal numbers are essential. They tell us who finished first, who was second, and so on. They help rank participants and determine winners. In academic settings, we often use ordinal numbers when referring to grades or years. For example, first grade, second year of university. They also appear in versions of academic papers or book editions, like the third edition of a book. And that wraps up our journey into the usage of ordinal numbers in daily life. By now, you should be able to spot these useful words everywhere and use them with confidence. Remember, language is a key that opens doors, and every small detail, like ordinal numbers, helps you unlock those doors more easily. See you in our next English language adventure. Happy learning!